We live in exciting times. Overcoming challenges we'd previously thought insurmountable. The global panel board market annually was worth an estimated $190 billion in 2021 and projected to reach $354.9 billion by 2031, producing 760 million cubic meters of product. However, the current adhesive used, urea formaldehyde, is a known carcinogen and needs to be handled with caution. There are consumer and regulatory pressure to find alternatives. So NILO set about creating a replacement adhesive that could meet international performance standards, be price competitive, have a lower carbon footprint, be less toxic and safer to make and use, be compatible with existing board manufacturing equipment, and importantly, allow boards to be repurposed at the end of their usefulness, creating true circularity. And we're doing it. Our replacement adhesive is made from waste plastics that are difficult to recycle. Up to 40% of global waste plastic can be used in the NILO process. The manufacturing process is safe, low energy, produces no byproducts, and has a low carbon footprint. So how does it work? At NILO's laboratory, we are inventing and patenting solutions. Firstly, we take waste plastic and break it down using an innovative process. We then combine proprietary additives to form the adhesive. NILO's adhesive is then used to manufacture wood boards in the current industry standard way. We then test those boards against global industry standards. What's more, these NILO boards contain recycled wood chip, which helps reduce the amount of virgin timber used. Join us on our mission for a sustainable future. NILO, creating a world with zero plastic waste.